present him. Sri Charan Boro, Minister Designate, is invited to the dais to take the oath of office and secrecy as Minister for State of Assam. You may be pleased, sir, to administer the oath of office and oath of secrecy to Sri Charan Boro as Minister for the State of Assam.
I,
Sri Charan Boro, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a Minister for the State of Assam, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear and favor, affection, or ill will.
Say, I.
I,
Sri Charan Boro, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Minister for the State of Assam, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। Sir, the swearing in now complete. With your permission, the proceedings may now be closed. National Anthem.